Peace TV, the solution for humanity.
The question is, when all believe in one God, why people fight in the name of God and in the name of religion?
The person asked the question that if all the people, all the human beings, or most of them, believe in one God, believe in one type of religion, why do they fight? Why is there so much of infighting, riots, etc.? No religion which I know of tell that people should fight with each other unnecessarily. No religion says that. Neither the Quran, neither the Veda, neither the Bible. Unnecessarily should not. And the Holy Quran says in Surah Ma'idah chapter number 5 verse number 32, if anyone kills any human being, unless it be for murder or creating mischief in the land, it is as though you have killed the whole of humanity. Quran does not say if you kill a Muslim, you have killed the whole of humanity. If you kill any human being, unless it be for murder or creating mischief in the land, it is as though you have killed the whole of humanity. So no religion teaches that people should fight with each other unnecessarily. Suppose people are trying to oppress you, then most of the religion says that you should put that oppressor back in its place. Quran says that, Surah Anfal, Surah Tawbah, that if the people try to drive you out of your house, out of your faith, out of your land, then you can fight them for self-defense. Even the Gita, the whole Bhagavad Gita, it is known as the nectar of the Vedas. Lord Krishna, he is giving advice to Arjun that see, you fight for the truth. Even if the opposite people are relatives, don't stop. If they are in the wrong, you fight. The Quran says in Surah Isra chapter 17 verse 81, وَقُلْ جَاءَ الْحَقِّ وَزَاقَ الْبَاطِلِ إِنَّ الْبَاطِلَ كَانَ زَهُوقًا وَنُنَزِّلُ مِنَ الْقُرْآنِ مَا هُوَ شِفَاءٌ وَرَحْمَةٌ لِلْمُؤْمِنِينَ وَلَا يَزِيدُ الظَّالِمِينَ إِلَّا خَسَارًا. That when truth is hurled against falsehood, falsehood perishes. For falsehood is by its nature bound to perish. The Quran is a healing and mercy for those who believe. It was revealed in stages. But for those who are unbelievers, it's nothing but loss after loss. So basically, no religion tells you to fight, unless in self-defense. Even the police kills the robber in self-defense, kills the criminal. But normally, under normal circumstances, people should not fight. But yet I do know that people fight. Why is the big question. You know what's the reason? The reason is people fight for power, for material things. The politician, he wants vote. What does he do? He instigates a riot. A riot. And then you get marginalized. And then Hindus vote Hindu, Muslim vote Muslim. Politicians. If a builder wants a land, you can't acquire the land because there are 1,000 huts there. What does he do? He instigates a riot on the basis of religion. The huts are burned down and then he builds a big building on that land for money. So these people, for power, for money, for material requirements, these people, they instigate the riots. Otherwise, the common Hindu, the common Muslim, alhamdulillah, we love each other. We love our non-Muslim brother. Bombay, if you know Bombay, even during partition, there was not such a riot as we had a couple of years ago. Engineered by whom? Politicians. Politicians engineered it. All because for power, for material desire. Otherwise, no religion says that you should fight with one another. We do know. We have similarities. We agree with that. We have differences also. But a politician, on the front of everyone, you say, Ram bhi khuda, Allah bhi khuda. Front of it. And behind you goes an engineer's riots. See, we don't believe in pseudo-secularism. If suppose two people are there, one person is saying 2 plus 2 is equal to 4. The other person is saying 2 plus 2 is equal to 5. That does not mean, oh, he's such a good man. 2 plus 2 is also equal to 4. 2 plus 2 is also equal to 5. I am a very deshbhakt, secular person. What secular? Hypocrisy. I should have the guts to say, see, what you are saying 2 plus 2 is equal to 4 is right. What you are saying 2 plus 2 is 5 is wrong, but I will not fight with you. I will tell you the truth, I will not fight with you. Same the Quran says in Surah Kafirun, chapter 109, verse number 1 to 6. قُلْ يَا أَيُّهَا الْكَافِرُونَ لَا أَعْبُدُ مَا تَعْبُدُونَ وَلَا أَنْتُمْ عَابِدُونَ مَا أَعْبُدُ وَلَا أَنَا عَابِدٌ مَا عَبَدتُّمْ وَلَا أَنْتُمْ عَابِدُونَ مَا أَعْبُدُ لَكُمْ دِينُكُمْ وَلِيَ دِينِ. Say to those who reject faith, I will not worship what you worship, nor will you worship what I worship. I will not be worshipping that which you want me to worship, nor will you worship what I worship. To you is your way, to me is mine. To your religion, to me is mine. I will present the truth to him. Right? Don't do idol worship. Don't have wrong concept of God. Yet if you have, lakum dinukum waliyadin. To use your way, to me is mine. The Holy Quran says in Surah Baqarah chapter 2 verse number 256, La ikraha fid deen. There is no compulsion in religion. Truth stands out clear from error. If you hold the hand of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, He will take you from darkness to light. If you hold the hand of the evil one, the devil, he will take you from light to darkness. The choice is yours. But no religion says that you should fight with each other unnecessarily. Hope that answers the question.